Happy Thursday, guys! Today is Thursday, April 9th, 2020. And Easton, what national day is it? It's National
Unicorn Day.
Unicorn Day. So to celebrate, I put together a collection of books and videos over on Epic for you to check out. You can either click the link in the morning slide, or you can just head on over to Epic and check your mailbox, and it will be in your mailbox for you. Also, remember that we do not have school tomorrow, so you won't have any new assignments. So it's a 3-day weekend. Easton, what do we think about 3-day weekends?
I don't really know.
You don't really know? You don't think they're So no school tomorrow, so no new assignments. So we hope you guys have a great 3-day weekend and a happy Easter, right? Yeah? All right. Bye.
Bye.
Emerson, can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye.